When it comes to finding freelance talent online, Fiverr is one of the first platforms that comes to mind. But before you dive into buying services, there are some key things you need to know about Fiverr that could save you time, money, and frustration. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things to consider before making a purchase, especially if you're new to the platform. First up, Fiverr is often seen as a budget-friendly option for freelancers. But here's the thing. While you can find affordable services, the quality can vary greatly. Unlike platforms like Upwork, where freelancers tend to have more in-depth profiles, Fiverr is more transactional. You pick a gig, pay for it, and hope the outcome meets your expectations. Because of this, it's essential to review the seller's portfolio and ratings carefully. It's not as much about the price, but more about what you're getting for that price. Next thing you need to know is that Fiverr's gig system is incredibly specific. Many freelancers break down their services into smaller tasks, which can be useful but also limiting. For example, if you're looking for a website redesign, you might find that basic gigs only cover the design aspect, and additional costs come into play for things like coding or revisions. It's crucial to read the gig description thoroughly to ensure you're not getting surprised with hidden fees or additional costs down the line. Unlike platforms like freelancer.com, where you can often negotiate packages or get custom quotes, Fiverr's system is more rigid, but it works well if you know exactly what you need. The third thing is Fiverr's rating system. It's pretty straightforward, but it can be misleading. Many sellers will ask for positive reviews, which isn't inherently bad, but it means you'll need to dive deeper into feedback from buyers who seem more objective. Look for patterns in comments, like consistency in delivery and communication. Unlike platforms like TopTal, where vetting is more intense, Fiverr's open market system can lead to some fluctuation in freelancer quality. Now let's talk about response time. One feature I appreciate about Fiverr is its ability to quickly match you with a freelancer. However, not all freelancers are quick to respond, and some may take a day or two to get back to you. This can be frustrating, especially if you're on a tight deadline. If you need immediate attention, you might want to try services like Upwork, where you can get real-time responses from freelancers. Fiverr does allow you to set urgent delivery options for extra fees, but that's something to consider upfront. The fifth thing to keep in mind is Fiverr's scope of services. While Fiverr started as a platform for small, simple gigs, it's grown significantly, and now you'll find a variety of services, from complex coding to marketing and even voiceover work. If you're looking for specialized skills or unique tasks, Fiverr is a solid choice. However, if you need niche expertise or long-term collaboration, other platforms like People Per Hour might be more suitable. Fiverr works best for quick, one-off tasks, while others can better support long-term relationships. Next, there's the issue of revisions. Many Fiverr gigs include a set number of revisions, sometimes 1, sometimes 3, but it's important to check that before you purchase. If you need more revisions, be prepared to pay extra. While platforms like Upwork often allow more back-and-forth communication and flexibility in revisions, Fiverr's gig packages are more rigid. It's worth checking each seller's policy on revisions to avoid surprises. And finally, Fiverr's customer support. While Fiverr does offer a support system, it can sometimes feel slow to respond, especially if you're dealing with a more complex issue. If you're someone who values a robust customer service experience, you may find Fiverr lacking in that area compared to competitors like Upwork or freelancer.com, who offer dedicated project managers or more responsive support. Now that you have a better understanding of how Fiverr works, I encourage you to give it a try for yourself. You can get started with Fiverr for free through the first link in the description below, and even access some exclusive benefits. If you're looking to hire a freelancer or purchase a service, Fiverr can be a great tool as long as you approach it with a clear idea of what you're looking for and manage expectations accordingly. To recap, Fiverr is a fantastic platform for quick, affordable freelance work, but you need to be diligent when reviewing sellers, their services, and their terms. Remember, quality can vary, and communication is key. If you're ready to explore Fiverr, click the first link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits.